Yesterday we have to start our new topic from math first. The name of topic is trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. This is the third chapter. The weightage for this chapter is 10 mark. 10 मार्कासाठी हा चॅप्टर आहे. नवीन चॅप्टर आपण कालच चालू केलेला आहे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन मध्ये सर्वात आधी येतात तर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन? ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन म्हणजे काय? An equation involving trigonometric function is called trigonometric equation. ज्या इक्वेशन मध्ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन येतात त्यांना ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन म्हणतात. जसं लिनियर इक्वेशन, अल्जेब्रिक इक्वेशन मध्ये व्हेरिएबल येत असतात. 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. 3y minus 5 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, like this. त्याच प्रकारे trigonometric equation sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, tan theta is equal to 2, cos 3 theta is equal to cos 5 theta अशा प्रकारे trigonometric equation असतात. किंवा x is equal to a sin of omega t plus alpha. हा तुम्हाला फिजिक्स मध्ये सुद्धा झालेला इक्वेशन आहे. After that, every equation have solution. Same, the trigonometric equation have solution. So solution of trigonometric equation, a value of a variable in a trigonometric equation which satisfy the equation is called a solution of trigonometric equation. A value of a variable in trigonometric equation मध्ये जी काही value of variable असते, value of variable means theta, which satisfy the equation is called solution of trigonometric equation. There are two types of solution. दोन प्रकारचे सोल्युशन असतात. कोणकोणते सोल्युशन? एक प्रिन्सिपल सोल्युशन असतो आणि दुसरा जनरल सोल्युशन असतो. Now what is mean by principal solution? Principal solution means the value of variable or a solution of alpha of a trigonometric equation is called principal solution if the value of alpha is greater than equal to 0, less than 2 pi. Means 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. Then the solution of trigonometric equation is called principal solution. If the equation is in alpha, a solution of alpha of a trigonometric equation is called principal solution if the value of alpha is greater than equal to 0, less than 2 pi, means in between 0 to 2 pi, then the solution is called principal solution. Trigonometric function are a circular function. Which type of function? Circular function. And so it have many solution. Same value repeat for a different angle. Same value repeat for a different angle. And one rotation or the values are complete in. तर जसे हे वरचे तीन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन्स आणि त्यांचे सोल्युशन बघितले, त्याचप्रमाणे आणखीन एक टाइप असतो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशनचा जो या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये आपण कन्वर्ट करू शकतो. साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन स्क्वेअर अल्फा किंवा कॉस स्क्वेअर थीटा इज इक्वल टू कॉस स्क्वेअर अल्फा, tan स्क्वेअर थीटा इज इक्वल टू tan स्क्वेअर अल्फा ह्या फॉर्मॅटमध्ये असतात. क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन सारखे, क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन सारखे एक तर सिंपल इक्वेशन किंवा राईट हँड साइड 0 किंवा क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. जर या तिन्ही फॉर्मॅट मध्ये नसतील, then we convert that equation in this format. That equation convert in this format and then we get solution by using this formula. Then we get solution by using this formula. हे फॉर्म्युला आणि ह्या तिघांसाठी एकच सोल्युशन आहे, अ कंबाईन सोल्युशन फॉर ऑल these three equation. Theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha for n belongs to z. या तिघांसाठी कंबाईन एकच सोल्युशन आहे सगळ्यांसाठी. साइन स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल टू साइन स्क्वेअर अल्फा, देन थिटा इज इक्वल टू n पाय प्लस और मायनस अल्फा, also for cos square theta and tan square theta. For all these three equations, we have a same solution, theta is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha. तर हे सोल्युशन लक्षात ठेवायचे, हे फॉर्म्युलेज लक्षात ठेवायचे, and by using this formula we can solve trigonometric equation. Okay, now we have to go for exercise. Exercise कडे जाऊया. 3.1 ही exercise आपण solve करणार आहोत. Exercise 3.1, question number 1, find the principal solution of following equation. खाली we have to given different equation from which we have to solve some. See, example number 1. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. We know for which value of theta cos is equal to 1 by 2. हे आपल्याला माहित आहे. इथे लिहायचं, but cos of pi by 3 means 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, cos theta is equal to cos pi by 3. Okay. Also, this implies that theta is equal to pi by 3, and pi by 3 lies between 0 less than equal to pi by 3 is less than is equal to 2 pi. Therefore, this is the principal solution. Also, by allied angle, cos theta is equal to cos of 2 pi minus pi by 3. In fourth quadrant, cos theta is positive. In fourth quadrant, cos theta is positive. So fourth quadrant, pi by 2 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. Solve this. 3 2 the 6, 6 minus 1, 5 pi. 3 2 the 6, 6 minus 1, 5 pi, 5 pi by 6. Therefore, theta is equal to 5 pi by 6 and 0 less than is equal to 5 pi by 6 less than is equal to 2 pi, means it is in between again 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, the required principal solution is pi by 3 and 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 3. Pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. 3 2 the 6, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 pi by 3 and pi by 3. These are the required principal solution. Another example we see, sec theta is equal to 2 upon root 3. आपल्याकडे सेकचा फॉर्म्युला आहे का? नाही. But then sec is converted into its basic trigonometric function. Secला त्याच्या बेसिक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन मध्ये कन्वर्ट करून घेऊया. We know cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta means its reciprocal. मग याचा रेसिप्रोकल घेतला तर काय मिळणार? cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2 which is equal to cos of pi by 6. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos theta is equal to reciprocal sec theta is equal to 2 by root 3. मग परंतु sec चा reciprocal cos आहे, so cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2 which is equal to cos of pi by 6. This implies that theta is equal to pi by 6 where 0 is less than equal to pi by 6 is less than is equal to 2 pi, means the values lies between 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi in between. So it is a principal solution. Principal solution साठी ही condition लक्षातच ठेवायची. The value is always lies between 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 360 degree च्या मधातच असली पाहिजे. Also cos theta is equal to cos of pi by 6 is equal to cos of pi by 6 ला तुम्ही असंही लिहू शकतात cos of 2 pi minus pi by 6 means cos theta is equal to cos of 6 to the 12, 12 minus 1, 11, 11 pi by 6. This implies that theta is equal to 11 pi by 6. This is again second value. 0 less than 11 pi by 6 less than 2 pi. Okay, this is the another second value. इथे आपण ASTC अलाइड अँगल रूल वापरतो. अलाइड अँगल नुसार कोणत्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह आहे ती व्हॅल्यू पुन्हा प्रिन्सिपल सोल्युशन साठी ती पाहतो and that value we have to put here. That value we have to put here. ASTC rule or allied angle. Okay. Next one. Cot theta is equal to 0. पुन्हा कॉटचा फॉर्म्युला नाही आपल्याकडे. फॉर्म्युले साइन कॉस टॅन ह्या तीनच बेसिक फंक्शन मध्ये आहे हे लक्षात ठेवा. हे जे फॉर्म्युले आहेत दे हॅव ओनली इन 3 बेसिक फंक्शन साइन कॉस अँड टॅन. So another function means cot, sec, cosec are converted into this and then we apply their formula. Okay. Cot theta is equal to 0. But cot 0 is equal to 0. Cot 0 ची किंमत 0 असते बरोबर आहे? नाही सॉरी. cot 0 ची किंमत 0 असते का? नाही. cot 90 ची किंमत 0 असते बरोबर आहे? cot 90, cot pi by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore नाही आपल्याकडे 0 चा डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला आहे तोच लिहून घेऊया. cot ला tan मध्ये कन्वर्ट करून घेऊया. tan theta is equal to 0 and tan theta is equal to 0. This implies that theta is equal to n pi plus alpha असते ना. Theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Therefore tan theta is equal to काहीतरी चुकत आहे. एक मिनिट. I will solve this example again. Cot theta is equal to 0 and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0 is equal to infinity, which is equal to tan pi by 2. Tan 90 means we have to get tan theta is equal to tan 90. Tan theta is equal to tan 90 ही व्हॅल्यू मिळालेली आहे. Therefore theta is equal to pi by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 2 principal solution साठी. 0 is less than pi by 2 is less than 2 pi. Also tan theta is equal to tan pi by 2 which is equal to tan कोणत्या quadrant मध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह असतो? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट सोडून. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रंट सोडून बिकॉज वी हॅव टू गिवन पॉझिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू. आपल्याला पॉझिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू दिलेले आहेत. कोणत्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये? थर्ड मध्ये. मग थर्ड साठी काय यूज करणार इथे? tan pi plus pi by 2 pi plus theta 180 plus theta 180 plus theta third quadrant. So tan theta is equal to tan 2 1s are 2 2 plus 1 3 pi by 2. Therefore theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. And इथे आपण आणखीन हे पण लिहिणार 0 is less than 3 pi by 2 is less than 2 pi. Therefore the required principal solution is pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. These are the principal solution of that equation. त्या इक्वेशनचे हे प्रिन्सिपल सोल्युशन होतील. ओके. tan theta is equal to -1. Tan theta is equal to minus. For which value, for which angle tan is 1? Tan हा 1 कोणत्या अँगल साठी असतो? 45 डिग्री. Tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So we write tan pi by 4. हा मायनस जर इथून काढून टाकायचा असेल तर आपल्याला माहित आहे मायनस tan theta is equal to tan of minus theta. And it will be right like this tan pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 means second quadrant, and in second quadrant tan is negative by using allied angle. 4 into pi 4 pi 4 pi minus 1 3 pi by 4. So tan theta is equal to tan 3 pi by 4. This implies that theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. Theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. And also 0 is less than 3 pi by 4 is less than 2 pi. So it is a principal solution. Generally principal solution दोन असतात because in 360 degree angle the one value is repeat two times for every trigonometric function. One value is repeat two times for every trigonometric function. So there are two principal solution. कधी कधी क्वेश्चन ओरली मध्ये विचारू शकतात तुम्हाला हाऊ मेनी प्रिन्सिपल सोल्युशन फॉर एनी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन एनी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. There are two principal solution for any trigonometric function. Okay. पुन्हा आणखीन also tan theta is equal to minus tan pi by 4. Not only second quadrant but also in fourth quadrant tan is negative. सेकंड मध्येच नसून फोर्थ मध्ये सुद्धा tan हा कसा असतो? निगेटिव्ह असतो. So it will be right like this tan of 2 pi minus pi by 4 which is equal to 4 2s are 8 8 minus 1 7 7 pi by 4. This implies that theta is equal to 7 pi by 4. and 0 is less than 7 pi by 4 is less than 2 pi. Therefore the principal solution are 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. These are the principal solution of that example. 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Okay. Another example. आता हा तुम्हाला एक्झॅक्टली ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन सारखाच दिसणार बघा. इक्वेशन √3 cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. इक्वेशन लिनियर इक्वेशन जसं आपण म्हणतो त्या प्रकारे √3 cos theta, sorry not cos, it is a cosec. Cosec theta is equal to 0. Now it is exactly in the form of equation. It will be right like this. Cosec theta is equal to this 2 transfer to right hand side becomes minus √2 upon minus 2 upon √3. This 3 which is in multiplication goes in denominator division after transfer. म्हणजे हा जो इक्वेशन आहे आपण ह्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये कन्वर्ट केला, जे आपण आता जस्ट सॉल्व केले होते त्या. Now again solve it. This implies that cosec theta is equal to minus, for which angle the cosec theta is 2 by √3. कोणत्या अँगलची किंमत 2 upon √3 असते cosec theta ची? 60 डिग्री. cosec 60 is equal to 2 upon √3. हा मायनसला मायनस साइन. cosec 60 is equal to 2 upon √3. 60 means pi by 3. मग हे झालं सिम्प्लिफाईड फॉर्म. याला पुन्हा वरच्या सारखं सॉल्व करायचं. कोसेक कोणकोणत्या क्वाड्रंट मध्ये निगेटिव्ह असतो हे आपल्याला माहित आहे. कोसेक इज डिपेंड अपॉन साइन अँड साइन इज निगेटिव्ह इन थर्ड अँड फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट. सो कोसेक इज ऑल्सो निगेटिव्ह इन थर्ड अँड फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट. म्हणून कोसेक सुद्धा थर्ड आणि फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट मध्ये काय असतो? निगेटिव्ह असतो. सो नाउ कोसेक थीटा इज इक्वल टू थर्ड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये लिहिण्यासाठी याला आपण कोसेक पाय प्लस पाय बाय 3 which is equal to cosec 4 pi by 3 and this implies that theta is equal to 4 pi by 3 आणि त्याच्यावरून व्हॅल्यू आली theta is equal to 4 pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3 this angle is lies between 0 to 2 pi. Directly we also write like this 0 to 2 pi. This angle means principal solution. Also cosec theta fourth quadrant हा झाला थर्डच्या नंतर फोर्थ क्वाड्रंट मध्ये काय करावं लागतंय आपल्याला? 2 पाय मायनस थीटा. 2 pi minus theta fourth quadrant, pi plus theta third quadrant. Okay. Therefore is equal to cosec 3 to the 6, 6 minus 1, 5 pi by 3. And this implies that theta is equal to 5 pi by 3 and this belongs to 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. Therefore the principal solution of root 3 cosec theta plus 2 is equal to 0 r. या इक्वेशनचे प्रिन्सिपल सोल्युशन काय आहेत? 4π/3 and 5π/3. 4π/3 and 5π/3. असं कंप्लीट सोल्युशन मध्ये आपण आन्सर लिहायचं सर्वात शेवटी. The principal solution of root 3 cosec theta plus 2 is equal to 0 or 4π/3 and 5π/3. Each and every question you have to write like this in complete solution. One thing complete in 360 degree, 360 degrees one complete rotation, it is its period, this is its period, हा त्याचा period आहे. आणि ह्या पिरियडच्या नंतर येणाऱ्या व्हॅल्यूज ह्या रिपीट होतात, ॲज इट इज रिपीट होतात. ओनली अँगल इज चेंज बट व्हॅल्यू इज सेम. ओके, सो 0 to 2π is when the value of angle is between 0 to 2π, then it is called principal solution. म्हणून त्याला प्रिन्सिपल सोल्युशन असे म्हणतात. आफ्टर दॅट second type of solution is a general solution. General solution. The solution of a the solution of a trigonometric equation which is generalized by using periodicity. Period. आता just सांगितलं period, circular function. The solution of a trigonometric equation which is generalized by using its periodicity is called general solution. It's called general solution. Okay. Sin theta is equal to 1/2. Sin ची value 1/2. When it is 1/2, when the theta is π/6. π/6 30 degree. 5π/6, 13π/6, minus 7π/6 and so on and so on. अशा वेगवेगळ्या व्हॅल्यू साठी for this different angle the sin theta is 1/2. The sin theta is 1/2. So these values are generalized like this: n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into π/6 for n belongs to z, where z is an integer number, is called general solution of sin theta is equal to 1/2. Is called general solution of sin theta is equal to 1/2. It is called general solution. How to find general solution? By using formula. That formula we have to see today. I will explain yesterday. Also say to you, see this theorem. हे theorem सुद्धा पहा म्हणून तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं. But that formula I will explain again today. ते फॉर्म्युले मी तुम्हाला पुन्हा एकदा आज एक्सप्लेन करून दाखवणार आहे. Okay. First formula is like this. See, when sin theta is equal to sin alpha, when the trigonometric equation is in the form sin theta is equal to sin alpha, एखादा इक्वेशन या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये आलेला आहे, sin theta is equal to sin alpha. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आत्ताच sin theta is equal to 1/2. 1/2 लाच तुम्ही sin 30 डिग्री किंवा sin π/6 लिहू शकता. Sin π/6. Okay, means sin theta is equal to sin alpha. Here alpha is equal to π/6. If sin theta is equal to sin alpha, then solution is theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into alpha n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into alpha. Secondly, cos theta is equal to cos alpha असेल तर cos theta is equal to cos alpha. जर trigonometric function ह्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये असेल, cos theta is equal to cos alpha. If the given general solution of equation cos theta is equal to cos alpha is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha for alpha n belongs to z, for n belongs to z. Everywhere everywhere n belongs to z. Okay, like this. Third formula is tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Then theta is equal to n pi plus alpha, where n belongs to z. These are the three formulas when sin theta is equal to sin alpha, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Then we can write the solution of such a trigonometric equation is in the form theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into alpha. If cos theta is equal to cos alpha, then theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, and tan theta is equal to tan alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus alpha. Like this we can write their solution. The next formula is sin theta is equal to 0. जेव्हा 0 असेल त्यावेळेस, म्हणजे sin theta is equal to 0, cos theta is equal to 0, or tan theta is equal to 0. If the trigonometric equation like this, right hand side is a 0, right hand side is a 0, sin theta is equal to 0, cos theta is equal to 0, or tan theta is equal to 0, then the solution of such a trigonometric function, theta is equal to n pi simply for sin theta, for cos theta, theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, and for tan theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to n pi for n belongs to z, for n belongs to z. Everywhere n belongs to z, everywhere. Okay, n belongs to z. Sin theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to n pi, tan theta is equal to 0, then also theta is equal to n pi. But for cos theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. And last three formulas are like this: sin square theta, in equation is in square form, sin square theta is equal to sin square alpha, cos square